On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be talking about fire safety tips week 1. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Many of the tips that we cover here on Warehouse Safety Tips reoccur on occasion, and the reason why is because they're just that important. They're evergreen. They're things that we want you to keep top of mind at all times, and this subject is not any different. It is about fire safety and the things that are around it. And what we want to talk about today are 4 tips that are going to get you started. As always, make sure that you follow whatever the rules, guidelines, and just everything that has to do with your specific facility. But this is going to be a great place to get started. So number 1 is going to be know your fire hazards. That's going to be things like chemicals, flammable items, etc. Know that the different things that are around you. Make sure that you're always keeping things top of mind so that you're ready for action should there be any sort of a fire safety or fire awareness type situation that you need to have top of mind. Number 2, make sure that you understand safety data sheets. That's going to include all of the materials such as handling, storage, and the emergency response related to them. Number 3, make sure that you conduct regular fire drills. That's going to be going through and making sure that everyone knows exactly what to do, where to go, and that once you get to a place, you are going through and making sure that you take a roll call of everyone to ensure that everyone's safe and that they know things like not wasting time trying to find things to just get out if there's a fire drill. And last but certainly not least, maintain proper storage, and that's going to be housekeeping of items, making sure that you go through and don't have a dirty area so far as having lots of flammable materials piled up in the form of trash, oily rags, leaks from machines that could be flammable, and that you are just storing things correctly so that you don't have, say, gases or any sort of, again, oils or fluids or just anything that has to do with a machine stored in a way that is going to be a danger. So those are going to be 4 great places to start. Again, make sure that you follow the rules and regulations of your specific facility, but we're going to be going over these items for the next month. Make sure that you are always keeping fire safety top of mind because we want you and your fellow employees to go to work and leave work the same way, safely. So until we talk to you next time, thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we talk to you next time, have a great day, stay safe, and here is a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line floor tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape, beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic, and backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line floor tape, the only durable stripe.